Happy birthday, Piet!
Happy birthday!
O, sige, muna. Ikaw muna.
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Siyempre may ganon.
Sige.
May gano'n.
Ay, ikaw, ano pa sasabihin mo kay Piet? Patay
Anak.
na, dead air.
Pwede naman eh.
Kunin mo na nga kami lahat dito. Para mas maganda, personal.
Dapat nga dito
Okay.
mag-birthday yan eh. Ito yung aming pusa, si Yumi. Okay, ikaw na, Kurt.
Happy birthday po Tita Piet. Wish you all the best in life and siyempre always be in good health po and ingat po lagi. God bless.
Nice.
Happy birthday po, Tita Piet. More birthdays to come and good health po. Ingat po palagi.
Ikaw natin. Ako ulit.
Happy birthday, Piet! Yung 50 mo na birthday na dapat dito ka na, diyan ka na natuloy dahil sa kaguluhan na yan. Anyway, maging masaya ka sana sa 50th birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Ayun.
Walang iiyak ka.
Happy birthday! May partner ni Kurt. Bakit mo ako
Etong isang to, luluha na naman.
Ayun na nga, naiiyak na ako. Ayun na nga. So, ito na nga. Oh, golden girl ka na. Welcome to the club. Oh, yan. 50 years old ka na. Sayang, hindi na tuloy yung na dito ka magsi-celebrate. Tapos ako mag-aasikaso ng birthday mo. Sayang. Sabi ko gano'n. Di ba, magkukruise ka naman. Pero okay na yun. So, ayun na nga. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa love. Thank you sa care and support.
Hindi naintindihan, pakiulit.
Kaya ayoko magbibideo eh.
Nauuna na yung iyak.
Sana yung message ko na lang. Hindi. So, yun na nga. Nung sinabi sa akin ni Ed na isusurprise kayo, isusurprise kanila ni Jonas, tapos kailangan daw namin mag-video. Di syempre, alam naman sabihin kong hindi pwede. Syempre, laging oo yung pag si Piet ang bibigyan ng asalto. So, wish ko lang sana nga, nandiyan ako ng birthday mo, pero hopefully, sana, in God's perfect timing, wish ko sa'yo good health. Siyempre, lagi naman. Good health, long life, at saka marami pang birthdays. At saka, siyempre, hindi mawawala yung more blessings and more shopping, more travel, at less stress, less workload. Ano na tayo ngayon? Ano ba tawag dito? Chill na lang para hindi tayo magkakasakit. Sana lagi kang healthy. At saka sana mas marami pa yung blessings na matanggap mo kasi hindi ka nagsasawang mag-share ng blessing.
Pusa.
Nagtatawa na ako nitong mga to. So yun na nga. I-message na lang kita kung ano pa yung mga wish ko para sa'yo. Basta mag-iingat ka lagi at mag-enjoy kayo sa Disney cruise nyo.
Wow, this
Siguro pagka napanood mo to, tapos na yung cruise nyo kasi etong March yun. So, ayun, enjoy na lang at miss na kita. Super, miss na kita. I love you very much. Happy birthday, okay? Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
birthday, we love
Ay,
you.
pala si Eran. Silang dalawa na lang daw ni Ses ang mag-message. Ayan, si Yumi. Yumi, happy birthday mo si Tita Piet. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. We love you.
Bye po. Bye.
Ayun na Piet. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more wonderful years ahead. Enjoy your special day. God bless you always.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Piet! Happy birthday, God bless! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Ayun.
Happy birthday!
God bless.
More birthdays to come. Take
Yes.
care. Regards to all.
Game!
Happy birthday, Piet!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I love you very, very much!
Wait. Ha? Ayan.
Hi, Ate Piet! Hi, Ate Piet! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
God bless you! More
God bless
power!
you.
And your family! And family!
God bless.
Mata and heal!
Hi Tita Piet, happy birthday po and God bless. Ayun, more birthdays to come po yun. So thank you po first of all for helping my family this year po and the previous years of course, and I hope you know po how thankful I am and our family is po to you. I hope po for another year full of happiness po for you, and sana po marami pa pong blessings. Ayun, na paparating po sa inyo. And I hope to see you soon po. And of course, always take care po dyan. Ayan lang po.
Happy birthday, Tia. I hope that you enjoy your day. I hope that you enjoy your birthday however you want to celebrate it. And I hope that you stay healthy always, hope you stay safe, and I hope that you stay the amazing person that you are. And thank you for being supportive to the family. That's all.
Hi Ate Piet, happy birthday. Just want to say thank you for being an amazing cousin. You're not just a cousin, you're truly a sister to me. You've been there for me through my ups and downs when I had no one to talk to. I want you to know that you're not just an amazing person, you're also an amazing mother and wife. So, not just on this birthday, but in this life, I wish that all your plans and your dreams come true. And again, happy birthday, Ate P. Tsaka sana, tumaya ka na talaga sa loto para pag nanalo, matuloy na yung bali natin. I miss you, Ate P. I hope to see you soon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Piet! God bless. Ingat palagi.
We love you!
Mwah.
Hi, hello. 50th birthday mo na ba, anak? Piet? Wow, mukhang hindi naman 50th birthday. So, wish ko sa'yo ay lagi kang happy. Saying, happy birthday. Lagi mong iisipin na dito kami, nagmamahal sa'yo. Lagi ka naming namimiss, of course, the kids. At lahat-lahat kayo dyan. So, sana makapagbigay uli kayo next year or sa 70th birthday ko din. But anyway, uulitin ko, love na love ko kayong lahat kayo dyan. Basta laging mag-pray, huwag makakalimot kay Father God, kasi siya ang lahat-lahat sa atin, siya ang nagbigay sa atin ng lahat, siya ang ating creator, at nagpo-provide everything ng mga kailangan natin. So, I love you so much, anak. At lalo ka pang magpaganda, magpa-beauty. I love you all. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Piet. Happy birthday. Tumatanda na talaga ako. Ilan taon ka na ba sa birthday mo? God bless always. Ingat palagi. At miss ko na rin kayo. Sana matuloy yung reunion natin nila Uncle Virgilio mo. Ang saya namin nung nandun kami sa Baguio. Sabi nga ni Ate Jeng mo, sana daw nakasama sila. Hintayin namin kayo na lang nila Ate Bebet mo, Ate Ruby, na mag-communicate kung kailan. Sana malakas pa ako. Ito, puro doktor. God bless you. Kumusta mo na lang ako kay Mama, kay Papa, sa mga bata. Love you.
Hi, Ate Piet. I just want to wish you the happiest birthday. You've always been such an amazing, strong, kind person to everyone around you. And thank you for sharing your good vibes and positivity to everyone. And I wish you all the best. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and many more wonderful years ahead. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita! Wishing you happiness and good health. And hopefully we can see each other soon so you can meet our kids and I can meet yours. We miss you. Love you. Say love you. Love you.
Happy birthday from your Texas family.
Enjoy your golden year, Aprilyn.
Have fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Gemma, the cousin of the celebrant in the Philippines. I just want to greet you, my dear Piet, a happy 50th birthday. May this golden milestone bring you even more joy, good health, blessings, laughter, and dreams fulfilled. You are not only an amazing wife and mother, but also a loving and supportive daughter and sibling who holds everyone together. You are an inspiration. I truly admire you, the way you take care of them with so much love, strength, and dedication. Enjoy your special day with them, and sending my regards and hugs and kisses to all of you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Aprilyn. Wishing you all the best. Another 50 years of wonderful life.
Happy birthday! Welcome to the Golden Club! Enjoy! Greetings from DC with love, Washington DC.
Hi Tita Piet, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the best. Such an amazing milestone we're celebrating, and how we wish na we're there to be able to celebrate with you. But for now, we'll celebrate with you here in the Philippines through Spirit. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you for everything, especially whenever we go there to the States to visit. Naalala ko pa nung mga unang punta ko sa States, ikaw yung palaging sumakay ng roller coaster with me. And yeah, such fun and really memorable experiences whenever we're there. And even in the next visits, you really make time to be able to take care of us, be with us when we're there, despite your busy schedule. So, thank you for all of that. And once again, happy birthday. And hopefully, we'll be able to see you soon again.
Hi,
Hi, Piet! Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! So, we are now Golden Girls, and it only seemed like yesterday when we were in high school, being the crazy cuties that we are. Well, on your 50th, I wish you the best of health, the best of what life has to offer, and I really miss you, and I hope that we'll see each other again so very soon. And for now, take care. God bless you and your family, and I love you and I miss you. So happy birthday, have a good one. I love you.
Happy birthday, Piet! Happy birthday sa kaibigan ko na habang tumatanda, lalong gumaganda. Well, actually, dati na po siyang maganda. High school pa lang po, panlaban na. I wish you good health. Siyempre, lalo na yon, good health number 1. Happiness and peace. Sana, let's travel soon. Happy birthday! Love you, Piet!
Hello, Chang Piet. Happy Golden. Tanda mo na. Naalala ko lang yung nagdibo ka sa Novaliches. Naalala ko na yon, mag-14 na ako nun eh. So, nagdibo mo. Yeah, naalala ko lahat. Kaya yun. Sayang late yung invite ni paring Ed eh. Dapat nandyan ako. Anyway, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Basta happy lang lagi. Bawal nang ma-stress. Okay? Happy birthday. Come on, Gabi.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Piet. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga wish mo sa buhay ngayong birthday mo. Good health and happy life together with your loving husband. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday again.
Hello, kumari ko, best friend and sisterette. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ayan, so you're the best mother na nakita ko, and of course naging mabuting kaibigan. Thank you sa pag-accommodate sa amin tuwing kami ay nandyan sa US. I love you so much. So God bless. Mamo, happy birthday.
Hi, Piet! Happy golden birthday! Golden years old ka na, Ate Piet! Mauna ka na. Sunod ako. Next year. We've been friends for a very long time. Since high school. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan. Through triumphs and trials. Through our kakiligan and kalokohan. Through our marami na tayong naggawa, marami na tayong naakyat na bundok, at saka mga napagdaan ng earthquake, pero nandito pa rin tayo. Sana, through the years, even miles apart, we'll always be each other's constant, like sinabi mo. Let's grow old together. With Bong and Ed. Kahit maputi na ang ating mga buhok, tayo pa rin. Friends forever. Happy birthday, Piet! Love you!
Surpresa! Happy birthday, ate ko! 50 years old ka na, oh my God! Yan, tuwag-tuwa ka na naman sa akin. Nagulat ka for sure. Hindi mo in-expect. Babati ako sa'yo. Chinat kasi ako ni Kuya. Wala lang. I'm so thankful. Nasali ako sa listahan ng mga babati sa'yo. Ano sasabihin ko? Wala lang. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and happy and beautiful as always. Like me. Charot!
Happy birthday, Ate! I love you!